Greetings everyone. Let's continue our lesson in biology, getting to know plants. And our today's topic is parts of a plant. There are many kinds of plants, but they all are similar in structure. The parts of a plant are divided into two main systems: the root system and the shoot system. The part of the plant that remains under the ground is called root system. It consists of the main root and many lateral roots. The parts of the plant that remains above the ground is called shoot system. It consists of stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits and seeds. So first, let's see the root system. The part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root system. It always grows towards the gravity and moisture away from the light. Roots are of two kinds: tap roots and fibrous roots. First, tap roots. Tap root is a thick main root coming out from the seed after germination. Later on, smaller roots that branch out from the tap root are called as lateral roots. Radish, carrot, mango, rose and beetroot are examples of plants with taproot system. Now, fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are a group of lateral roots arising at the base of the stem. They have a bushy appearance. These roots are thin and almost equal in size. Grass, wheat and rice are examples of plants with fibrous root system. Now, let's see the functions of roots. The roots of a plant perform the following functions. Anchors plant. Roots hold and support the plant firmly into the soil. Roots help the plants to absorb water, minerals and other nutrients from the soil which are necessary for the growth of a plant. Roots help to prevent soil erosion by binding the soil particles. Some roots have useful bacteria in them to increase the soil fertility with nitrogen content.